Ah, AI TikTok shop affiliate videos. The new digital gold rush. My friend, everyone's trying to make passive income while the algorithm does the heavy lifting. And the smart ones, like you apparently,
Yeah.
are realizing uh, that AI can make it faster, cheaper, and smarter than ever. So let's go step by step from picking products to posting your AI generated goal. Step one, understand how TikTok Shop affiliate works, right? So before you even touch AI tools, here's the quick reality check. Let me type TikTok affiliate. Right. So TikTok Shop has an affiliate program that lets you earn commission every time someone buys a product through your link. You don't need to own the product, you just make videos promoting it. You earn from click through sales tracked automatically via TikTok Shop. Example, you make a video about a trending face roller. Someone clicks your TikTok Shop tag, buys, boom, you get 10% to 30% commission. Step 2, find products that sell themselves, right? So let me, yeah. Okay. AI can make your content look pretty, but if the product sucks, no amount of cinematic music will save it. Here's how to pick the winners. Go to the TikTok shop, affiliate center, and then top products. Use TikTok made me buy it to find what's trending right now. So go back to your screen, go to TikTok, and search for TikTok made me buy it. Right? And
حقق مبيعات هائلة.
right?
Look at that.
Sorry. Um, use the hashtag and look for high views to purchase ratio, strong emotional appeal, beauty, gadgets, kitchen hacks, health, etc. Simple demo value, something that looks cool when shown in 10 seconds. Pro tip, avoid products over 50 bucks. Um, cheaper impulse buys perform better with AI generated content. Step 3, use AI to create a video script. Right? Here's where you use ChatGPT or tools like Notion, Copy AI, or Cloud to write a scroll stopping script. Right? You can type, an example of a hook, works every time. I can't believe this actually works. If you hate doing this, if you hate doing X, watch this. TikTok made me buy this, and now I get it. Right? Demo or benefit. Show or AI generate the product in action while highlighting its best feature. Emotional payoff. This thing literally made my mornings 10x easier. Call to action. Get it from the link in my bio before it sells out again. Right? Step 4. Generate visuals with AI. Let's make the magic happen depending on your style, really. Option 1, you can use AI product demo videos. Use Pika Labs, right? For that, for cinematic motion AI, or Runway ML, Gen Gen 3 Alpha, HeyGen or Synthesia for AI spokespeople, Kyber for stylized AI B-roll. You upload few product photos or short clip, the AI animates or narrates it for you, and you can make 10 videos in a single afternoon. Option 2, you can use AI voice in a plus real product clips. You can use 11 Labs or Play HD for realistic voiceovers. Choose a young, energetic voice that fits TikTok. Add your script, mix the voiceover with short clips of the product from supplier page, TikTok shop, or stock footage. Right? You can use CapCut Desktop, TikTok's own editor. Use auto captions plus AI templates, Veed.io or Descript if you prefer browser-based editing. Right? And now, after you made all that happen, what you're gonna do, now you're gonna add AI generated captions and sound. Sound is everything on TikTok. AI can even pick it for you. Alright? So hit plus button and let's say you found your product. So let's say, yeah, this. Okay? And then hit add sound and select the trending sounds. Right? That connects directly to a viral TikTok audio. Or use Soundful or Beethoven.ai to make royalty-free beats that sound TikTok-ish. Captions, you can use Submagic or CapCut Auto Captions. Bold, fast, colorful text keeps people watching. Step 6, add affiliate link in post. When uploading your video, right, tap add product before posting, right? Hit more options, okay, and turn on everything right here. If it's made by AI, go ahead and add link, right? You can see depending on your region really, but you can add your product before posting and search from chosen item from TikTok shop, tag it, write your caption, use hashtags like TikTok made me buy it, TikTok shop finds. Post 3 to 5 videos per product. TikTok's algo needs variety before it starts pushing one viral video. Step 7, track performance and let AI optimize. Use TikTok analysis. Right? Go back. Use TikTok analysis right here in the TikTok studio. Watch time, click rate, conversion rate. If your first video flops, don't panic. AI can help refine it. Feed your analytics data into ChatGPT or Cloud and ask, rewrite the first 5 seconds of my script for higher hook rate. Boom! You iterate like a pro marketer. So, quantity beats perfection. You will learn more posting 30 okay videos than 3 perfect ones. Focus on relatable emotion. I need this. Works better than this product is amazing. Use AI to speed up creation, not replace the human touch. Viewers still crave authenticity, even from synthetic videos. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.